Another form of pollution that is now a growing environmental concern all across the world are microplastics that are now clogging the remote areas of the Arctic region.
Microplastics are the tiny fragments of the plastics. So when we discard a plastic material, that gets into the soil, that gets washed through the water bodies like rivers, streams, into larger water bodies like oceans. In this process of transferring, it gets fragmented. Maybe by the action of mechanical abrasion by the waves, wind, or even UV sunlight, and also the biological means like microbes also degrade to certain extent. So these plastic particles become smaller in size. When it goes less than 5 mm or so, we call it as microplastic. There is no lower limit, it can go up to micron across size also. The issue of microplastic is that when the plastic is in larger size, we can remove it. When they are in tiny size, it is all the more difficult. And when it reaches a water body like this ocean, definitely very less chance of recovering them back.
Microplastics are emerging as another potential threat to the ecological diverse marine ecosystem. A team of Indian scientists are now investigating the concentration of microplastics in these Arctic fjords as part of their long-term environmental monitoring of the fjord ecosystem.
Today our sampling is on trawling of the water surface. So we want to know whether the water surface of these fjords are these microplastics. Yesterday we have done sediments. Today we are doing with the microplastic net. We are trawling it for 20 minutes at 2 knots of speed, so that we will get to know whether the microplastics are present on the surface of these Arctic fjords.
The samples will help us ascertain the types and quantity of marine microplastics and heavy metal concentration in the Svalbard region.